We just hit the bike wash. There's supposed to be some photos taken on Santa Fe. This girl's doing like free photos and videos, I guess. And I wanted to go for a ride tonight anyway, so I think they're all meeting at, the photos are being done at a car wash off Santa Fe. And I don't have no photos on my bike. I have like a bunch of photos of people I ride with because I always record it and I'll take like stills out of it. So it'd be kind of nice to get some photos of me. So I'm gonna go do this. I think there's gonna be like maybe 10 people that show up here, so should be fun. It's a game day, so it's probably busy down here. That's the good thing about lane filtering right there, is there's no cars around me. Shout out to Colorado for legalizing lane filtering. But that's the best though, because there's literally no cars around me. And every time you go to a stoplight and you do that, you'll have no cars around you each time. Beautiful night, beautiful weather. Lane filtering, example right here. Lane splitting isn't legal, which sucks, but filtering's a start. Because when you do that, there's no cars around you. And that's the goal for riding, in my opinion, is having no cars around you. That's when it's the best. But, like I said, if a car was coming straight behind me right now, and they wouldn't be in the middle, they would be in the left or the right lane, so I think it makes sense. People on the internet say some wild stuff, though.
There was a cop car right there at the intersection. I think it was the radar station. Right. And he just turned like that all over again. They both pulled off the road together. Right. Really? It's nuts. So much is nuts you see. I think people really pass cops in Denver and they're just like, they don't even look at them. He's going that way, right? Yeah. That's like just right outside the window, all the way down to the DKC. Nuts. You have a good idea. Have a good one. Yeah. I've got the stock exhaust on it now, nothing crazy, but it's brand, I got it brand new, so. Yeah. No, yeah. I love it. Oh yeah. Yep.
The guy said, "Is it illegal to wheelie? Is that illegal?" is this? Good, how you doing? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
It's open right there.
Cool. I was like, what the hell's going?
Yeah, I think they all wrapped around the back.
Oh, okay, cool.
Have a good one.
You too. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? How you doing? Are you just doing photos right here?
Yeah, we're doing the car photos.
Okay.
It just so happened that there's a motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, the bikes are cool, but
Yeah, no, I got you.
cars.
Cool, thank you. Yeah. Gang of people here. All sorts of different bikes. Quick shifter boys.
Oh shoot, he didn't even take the photos. He was going.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna dip soon too, honestly. I ain't gonna sit here all night.
I just said it because my boy, he was like, hey, can I be next? She's like, you don't have to. She's finding people who would be next. Every time she wants it.
Shit, I'll see what up then.
So
If she
after
comes
he
around.
comes back, be like, hey, I got next. And then after you got helmet for sale.
What is it, a medium?
There's the medium large. This is a medium small.
How light is it?
It's about
Doing the photos. I'm up next.
First things first, the formalities. I'm Isis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you have Instagram?
I don't. Mine got hacked, so I deleted it.
Okay.
I commented it on the post though, so.
Awesome. I just need to know that so I can add you and then message you the photo.
Cool, yeah, that's awesome.
Perfect. All right. So pretty much you get the photos for free with the watermark.
Cool.
You're allowed to use them with the watermark.
Yeah,
Or crediting me.
sure.
But yeah, I will send you a gallery link,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll just find your bike amongst it,
Yeah.
and then you'll have 30 days to download it.
Okay, cool. So I'll fucking download it fucking as soon as you put it up.
People usually do. I don't know why people put fast. First
Cool.
one is gonna be super simple.
Cool.
I want you to cross your arms and lean over your gas tank,
Cool.
and then also have you turn the bike off. I'll have you prop one leg up, both hands on your handlebars.
Cool.
And then I will be right back there. I want you to try and look at me.
Yeah. What'd it say? Down?
For the next one, you're gonna grab your left handlebar. You're gonna prop your right hand on your right knee. And then you're gonna tilt your head and I'm gonna be right there. You're gonna look at me. Okay?
Like,
Got it.
like that?
Cross your visor down. Then cross your arms. I'm gonna have you
Z900.
Cool. Well, like I said, I'll send them to you in like a link.
Yeah.
If you want to hang out a little more, go ahead. But like you said, if you have to go, that's totally fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave in like probably 15, 20 minutes. Thank you for doing me. Think real quick.
Of course, yeah.
Nice. You got the lights on yours?
Oh yeah.
That's clean.
It's the only one though.
Yeah?
I wish I came with more. I didn't realize that until I thought it.
That's clean. I like that. I'd like to do that with mine.
About $400?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, well, I mean, I thought it'd come with more colors though.
Yeah. I feel. Yeah, that's clean though.
Get some new ones. Yeah.
At least it matches though. At least it's not like green or something. Chicago or
Trick guy. I
Ichigo.
don't even know what I did.
You're the only one right there. That one? Jay?
Yeah, that should be.
Alright, brother. See you around, alright? Tight. Success. Cutting up, boy. I don't know what that is. That looks like an old ZX6R. Oh! Oh, he cutting up. Not bad, partner. Not bad.
What is that?
Z900.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
600. Oh yeah.
It's a 06 though.
Yeah, this is 05, so it's pretty blacked out.
Hell yeah. Ooh, you're right behind me. Yo, nice riding. Nice riding, bro. I was just getting off. I gotta swap out my GoPro battery. All right, we back, baby. Whoa. Man's got all the scooters. Got the photos done. Cut up in traffic with that ZX6R. Right before my GoPro died, He asked me if I was just at like that photo shoot thing, and I told him yeah. And he was asking where it was, and we were literally right next to it, on Santa Fe. So I don't know if he was just like cruising and was like happened to be right next to it, because as soon as we jumped left on Santa Fe, to the left was the car wash. I told him, I was like, bro, it was right where we were at. I told him to go back because they're still probably there. It's only like 15 minutes away. Brother, man. New buildings on new buildings. Like I said, always something new down here. Always something new. Huh?
CCC 400.
Nice. Those are fun.
Yeah. Is that the newest model?
Yeah, that's a brand new 24 Z900.
That's sick. Nice, man. Looks great.
Yeah, it's fun. I got a ZX6R too, but I'm really liking this, just like how comfortable it is. Have a good night.